Time travelers, recalling past habits and routines. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to embark on a time travel journey. Yes, you heard it right. Our magical vehicle? English modal verbs. Specifically, we'll be focusing on how to use modal verbs to describe habits and routines in the past. So buckle up and let's rewind the clock. Modal verbs are incredibly useful when we want to express different shades of meaning in English. Would and used to are the two modal verbs we often use to talk about past habits and routines. Let's dive into each one of them. 1. Would. We use would to talk about repeated actions or habits in the past. For example, when I was a kid, I would go fishing every summer. 2. Used to. This is used to talk about past habits or states which no longer exist. For instance, I used to have long hair. Remember, while would and used to can often be used interchangeably for actions, only used to is applicable for states. For example, we can say, I used to be shy, but not, I would be shy. Now, let's jump into our first practice activity, a listening comprehension exercise. I'll describe my childhood routines using would and used to. Your task is to listen carefully and write down the sentences you hear. Example, when I was young, I would wake up early to watch cartoons. I used to have cereal for breakfast every day. Moving on to our reading comprehension exercise. I'll show sentences on the screen, and your task is to identify whether would or used to is used, and what past habit or routine is being described. Example, she used to read a book before bedtime. Used to, the past habit was reading a book before bedtime. Fantastic job, everyone! Today, we took a step back in time, using English modal verbs, would, and used to describe past habits and routines. Remember, practice is key when it comes to language learning. Try using would and used to describe your own past habits and routines. Thank you for joining, and keep up the great work on your English learning journey.